Air Canada 776, winds 2408, on that Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Docker, 25 right, clear for takeoff for Air Canada 776.
Sun Country 428, wind 2408, RNAV Fabra, runway 24 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Fabra, 24 right, clear for takeoff, Sun Country 428. Departure Country 428, 600 feet, climb in 5,000.
Sun Country 428, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb maintain 12000, do not exceed 230 knots for intrail space.
Up to 12,000 and do not exceed 230 knots, Sun Country 428.
American 801, climb and maintain 6000.
6,000, 201.
Delta 1517, climb via CITIC, step 15,000.
Climb via CITIC, maintain 15,000, Delta 1517.
And departure load for Canada 776, we come to 1.9 for 5,000. Ocean 1.
Contact, maintain 250 knots.
Sorry, say again for Canada 776.
Air Canada 776, maintain 250 knots, your radar contact.
250 knots for Canada 776.
American 801, turn left, heading 190, climb and maintain 12,000.
190, heading up to 12,000, American
801. 1317, contact LA Center, 125.27.
25, 27, Delta 1517, good day.
Departure United 1912, climbing through 1,700.
Sun Country 428, stop your turn immediately, traffic alert 11 o'clock in a mile southwestbound 2,700, turn right eastbound, westbound immediately.
Turn westbound immediately and traffic in sight, Sun Country 428.
Air Canada 776, traffic alert, traffic off your right wing, southbound turning back to the west out of 4,000 feet is a Boeing 737. Stop your climb when able.
Alright, we'll stop our climb now for Canada 776.
American 801, turn left heading 090.
090, American 801.
Sun Country 428, air traffic control calls that left turn to Clipper. You're not supposed to turn on your own.
Sun Country 428, roger.
SoCal United 1912, climbing through 2,700.
And 1912, SoCal departure, radar contact, maintain 5,000.
Maintain 5,000, United 1912.
Sun Country 428, fly heading of 250.
Heading 250, 428.
American 801, turn left direct Clipper.
Left turn direct Clipper, make 801. 28, passing 1.3, climbing via the Orca.
Air Canada 776, climb maintain 9,000.
Climb maintain 9,000, Canada 776.
Sun Country 428, turn left heading 190.
Left turn 190, Sun Country 428.
478 out of 1900 for 5,000.
Left calling, say again.
Sorry, turn left.
478 coming on 2,000 for 5,000 on the dot 32.
28, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb maintain 12,000, don't exceed 230 knots.
Don't exceed 230 knots, climb maintain 12,000, Delta 2828.
Sun Country 428, turn left heading 130, don't exceed 250 knots.
130 and not to exceed 250 knots, Country 428.
Air Canada 776, climb maintain 12,000, approach 3435.
12,000 on 3435 now for Canada 776, yeah.
American 801, climb via CITIC, step 15,000, LA Center 125.27.
2527, yeah. Climb via CITIC, step 15,000, American 801. Departures goes 4018, 1,900, 5,000, LAX1.
Sun Country 428, heading 110.
110 on heading, Country 428.
And 1912, fly heading 230.
230, United 1912.
Sun Country 428, possible pilot deviation observed. I have a number, advise when you're ready to copy.
Ready copy, Country 428.
Okay, stand by. The area code 858-537.
858-537. Sun Country 428.
Affirm. And 1912, verify climbing to 12,000.
Climbing to 12,000, Country 428.
Thank you. United 1912, turn left heading 090.
Left turn 090, and do you want us to stay at 5,000?
Negative. United 1912, maintain 12,000.
Climb maintain 12,000, United 1912.